Good day everyone. Ipakita lang natin yung unit ni Sir Lemobeds of Cagayan de Oro City, SSP 56.0. So ang pinagawa lang ni Sir dito is nagpalagay lang siya ng magwell, 140% nozzle spring, then plate, tsaka yung Gen 2 na vector optics natin, then yung thumb rest. Ayan. So, and trigger tune pala. Trigger tune, tsaka BB ramp polishing. Libre yung mga yon na kapag kumuha kayo sa amin ng SSP5, free trigger tune, tsaka BB ramp polishing. So, yung BB ramp polishing is, ayun po siya. Yun. Nakapolish yung BB ramp. Yung daanan ng BB papunta sa going to the chamber. So, yung purpose nun, nasa channel namin, check nyo na lang. Then yung trigger tune, yun siya. Okay, yun lang siya. Oh, yun lang yung paddle nya. Okay, ayun. Then gumagana pa rin yung grip safety, thumb safety. Gumagana ba? Yan, thumb safety. Yan, gumagana. Okay. So, ito yung SSP 56.0 for open category. Tokyo Marui Killer sa open category. Parts availability, marami tayong parts. So, ayan. SSP 56.0. Itong magwell na to, yung aqua blue, pili ng misis ni Sir Lemobeds. Sir Lemobeds, thank you very much. So, going to Cagayan de Oro City. Ganda. So, yung red dot niya is, may free battery din. Lahat ng vector optics namin with free battery. So, ayun siya. So, thank you.